Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today I'll guide you through how to write a study certificate request letter. This letter is essential when you need official proof of your education for purposes like higher studies, job applications, or visa processing. You should begin your letter by including your personal details at the top, such as your name, address, city, postal code, contact number, email address, and the date. Below that, address the letter to the principal or headmaster of your school or college, mentioning their name, the institution's name, and its address. Next, add a clear and concise subject line indicating that you are requesting a study certificate. Finally, start your letter with a respectful salutation, addressing the principal or headmaster by name. After that, write, "I hope you are doing well. I am writing to formally request a study certificate from school college name, as I require it for mention reason, e.g., higher education admission, job application, etc. I was a student in class year, from start year to end year, and my roll number student ID was your roll number. I kindly request you to issue the certificate at your earliest convenience. Please let me know if any additional formalities are required. I would be grateful for your assistance in this regard. Sincerely, your name." Here's our sample study certificate request letter. You'll notice how it clearly states your purpose for requesting the certificate and provides essential details such as your enrollment period, class, and roll number. The letter maintains a polite and professional tone while emphasizing the urgency or specific reason for your request, whether for higher studies, job applications, or visa processing. By following this format step by step, you can create a well-structured and effective request that increases the chances of receiving your study certificate without delays. And with that, I end this video. If you found it helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on writing academic letters.